Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. So there are actually several ways to do so, but before we enter the recovery mode, I just want to show you how to check your recovery keys, just in case you get BitLocker triggered and are going to have to unlock your device using recovery key. So we need to know where to find these recovery keys in such case. Now to show you how to find them, I'm gonna be using a different device, the one that I'm using to record this video. And basically what we have to do is search for the Microsoft website. So you don't have to do this on a computer. You can use your smartphone, tablet, etc. But after you enter the web browser, you're gonna have to search for aka.ms/myrecoverykey. And then enter this web address into the web address field. Press enter. And then sign into your Microsoft account. Okay, let's enter the password. Okay, let's enter the code from the email. Now you have to give me a moment because I don't have my email around. On this website, you're gonna see the BitLocker recovery keys. Each of them has the matching key upload date and device name. So if you know one of these that is matching your Surface, then you can check the recovery key in the middle column. But if you don't know your device name or key upload date is the day when you basically attached your Windows account to the laptop. Then you can use the key ID. Now you don't know your key ID yet, but in case your device gets locked by a BitLocker, the key ID is the first thing that you're gonna see on your screen. And you'll be able to easily find the matching recovery key for it. Okay, and now that we know that, let's try the first way to enter the recovery mode. So in order to enter the recovery mode, we have to go to Start, and Settings, then go to System, and then find the recovery on the list. And then we're gonna have to click Restart Now next to Advanced Startup. And click Restart Now once again to confirm. And then basically just wait until your device is restarted. And here we are. So this is the recovery mode where we can go with any troubleshooting options that we have on our PC. But I'm gonna turn off this PC to show you the second method of entering the recovery mode. Except for I'm not gonna be able to show you the entire process you have to go through to enter recovery mode on your PC, but I'm gonna explain it to you real quick. So you're gonna need to get a USB flash drive, and you're gonna need to use the recovery drive tool that is pre-installed on any Windows device. So use your other PC or laptop, insert your USB flash drive into it, run the recovery drive without backing up your system files to your recovery drive, to your USB flash drive, and choose your USB flash drive as the source, and basically just create a recovery drive, then insert it into your laptop, into your Surface laptop, and go through the steps I'm gonna show you later in this video. Now if this verbal instructions are not enough for you, of course you can check the other video on our channel that is titled How to Install Windows 11 from USB flash drive on this particular laptop, and I explained this entire process that I briefly told you about in the very beginning of the video. So I think it's like the first 2 minutes of the entire video. So yeah, in order to enter the recovery mode, the second way, we're gonna have to turn off this PC and then insert our USB flash drive into this computer. And after that, we're gonna have to enter the BIOS menu by short pressing the power button and then repeatedly clicking the F4 key. Hopefully it will get us to the UEFI menu, but I can see that it's not gonna work this time. So let me just hold down the power button to shut down the laptop. I didn't manage to do so. It still started. Let's shut it down. Okay, and now let's try this method once again. So power button and then repeatedly clicking the F4 key. I guess I pressed power button too early. Just keep clicking it until you see the UEFI menu on your screen. Okay, so here we are. Now, what you're gonna need to do next is go to the boot configuration menu, select USB storage, and drag it to the top of the list. Once you do that, simply go to exit and click restart now, and then wait until your device boots into the recovery mode. Here we have to select the language that we're comfortable with and the keyboard layout, and then we'll be able to use all of the recovery menus and options. Let's turn off this PC, or let's restart it, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.